In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a video background in a section using Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're creating a personal project or a section for a business site, adding a video background can add a dynamic and visually appealing element to your design. So let's dive right into the process. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Hostinger homepage. If you're not already familiar with it, this is where you manage your website and all its features. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the tools available for website creation and management. Once you are logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger Website Builder. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the website builder, look for the option to add sections to your web page. Adding a new section is a straightforward process and will be the foundation upon which we'll set the video background. Click on the option that says Add Section. This will bring up a variety of different section types you can choose from. Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface that makes this part of the design process very intuitive. Just explore the options to decide where exactly you want your video to be. Once you've chosen your section and added it, the next step is to click on the Video option. This is where you'll add your video background. Hostinger allows you to select videos from your own media library or input a URL from an external source, so you have a lot of flexibility depending on what you have in mind. Selecting a video background that complements your site design can really elevate the user experience, so choose something engaging and relevant. When selecting your video, consider the content and style. A tranquil landscape might suit a wellness blog, while dynamic cityscapes could work well for corporate websites. Make sure the video loops smoothly and doesn't distract from the primary content of the page. Also, be mindful of loading times. High-definition videos are great, but can slow down your site if not optimized properly. As you can see, setting a video background in Hostinger Website Builder is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your web page. Hostinger makes this process quite seamless, letting you focus more on the creative aspects without getting bogged down by technical details. So, go ahead and experiment with different types of videos to see what suits your site's needs best. I hope you found this guide helpful for adding some flair to your website. A well-chosen video background can transform a simple layout into something engaging and professional. Thanks for joining me today and happy designing. Happy Ubiet.